Hi, welcome to the quick demonstration of lease agreements tracker. This is a simple template which will help keep track of all the lease agreements that you're executing in a business. So if you see, we have got a database at the bottom which shows the lease ID, the tenant name, the property address, the lease start date, end date, and all the relevant information that we're going to track for release agreements. We have the monthly rate, security deposit, and everything present over here. And on the top, if you see, we have certain sections divided over here, like the active leases, which shows the leases which are currently in active state. It is present over here, and we have already created the filtration for all these things. Then we have an upcoming expiry, so leases which are going to expire very soon, that is within this month, that will be put up over here. Just to give a demonstration, if I change the lease end date to the current month, so as on the date of recording it is 18th April 2025. So if I'm changing it to, let's say, in the month of April, so it will automatically come up over here. As you can see, in the upcoming expiry it is showing over here. And then we have payment status, so leases under paid and unpaid category are classified over here. Again, these can be changed from the database at the bottom. So this template is customizable for your needs. If you need any customization, you can definitely play around with the database that we have, and you can create your own summary over here. Just to give you another information, you can definitely generate lease agreement PDF documents by utilizing this website, that is PDFOutput.com, which helps you generate PDF documents in bulk from a particular database and a document in Google Doc. So you can create a lease agreement template in Google document and use this Notion database to generate bulk PDF documents from that one document. Okay. So you can watch this demonstration video and head over to PDFOutput.com, where you can get a complete overview of how to use PDF Output. Besides this, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me at notionformyuse@gmail.com, and I'll be happy to assist you on this further. Thank you. Have a great day.